This is the 10th video of the chapter 2, class 12, the treatment of goodwill when there is a change in the profit sharing ratio. While there is a change in the profit sharing ratio, there is an adjustment entry of the goodwill which is there. So we have to start the question number 21 of DK Goyal book. In this, the old ratio is 3:2 or 3/4, 1/4, and the new ratio is 5/3 or 5/8, 3/8. So there we have to be calculate first the sacrificing ratio, old ratio minus new ratio. So A share of sacrifice is 3/4 minus new share 5/8. This is old share 3/4 and this is new share 5/8. So we subtracted from the old share with the new share. So we get the A share 1/8, that is loss for the firm. And while in B, loss as well as it is a sacrifice, means A sacrifice to give the goodwill to B, and goodwill is the gainer while there is a change in profit sharing ratio. So B share is also be calculated like the same. Old share is 1/4 subtracted by new share 3/8, then there is minus 1/8, that is gain. So the journal entry regarding the sacrifice and gain: gaining partners capital account debited to sacrificing partners capital account. This always when there is a gain and the sacrifice, then the ratio we calculated, that is gaining partners capital account debited to sacrificing partners capital account. In question number 21, we have calculated the goodwill also with the help of the average profit method. While the average profit method, the sum of all the 3 years profit divided by 3. So the sum of 3 years profit is 1,08,000 divided by 3. So that is 36,000. So the value of firm goodwill is number of year purchase into average profit. So in this question it is given that the number of year purchase is 2 and the average profit is 36,000. So the product of 2 into 36 is 72,000. We distribute this 72,000. This 72,000 is the value of firm goodwill. So the value of firm goodwill is distributed in the A's capital and the B's capital in their gaining and the sacrificing ratio. So we calculate the A share and B share. So they are distributed 1/8 and 1/8. So 72,000 goodwill distributed by 1/8. So share is 9,000. This is sacrificing ratio. B share is 72,000 into 1/8, 9,000. It is a gain. So one may be a gainer and other may be a sacrificing partner. So the journal entry is on the basis of this journal. In this, A's capital account debited to B's capital account. So the sacrificing amount 9,000 and the other gaining amount 9,000 is to be recorded in the partners A and B. So A's capital account debited to B's capital account. After that, the narration: adjustment for goodwill due to change in profit sharing ratio. This is a adjustment of goodwill with the average profit method of goodwill. We calculate goodwill as well as the goodwill is distributed and the journal entry is passed. Okay, thank you.